Hi there, Randy Orwin with the Information School at the University of Washington. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add policies and various content blocks to the Canvas syllabus page. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so you can see I'm actually on the syllabus page already. So what I want to do is I'm just going to click on the edit button here. You'll notice my design tools are opening on the right-hand side automatically. And if you don't see your design tools, Alt-Shift-D or Option-Shift-D on the Mac, and then those will appear so that you can actually get access to the tools. So the first thing we want to do is we want to look at the policies that we may put in this particular course. So to find the policies related to a syllabus page, it's different than a regular page where you just click the Add Content blocks. Here we go ahead and we click Add Syllabus Content, and then we have this Institutional Policies. Open up Institutional Policies, and you can see a plus sign, add this policy, plus sign, add that policy. So I'm just going to add all these policies by just clicking on them. And notice that they turn green. And that green makes it so if you log back in and your policies didn't automatically update, then you can manually refresh those policies by just going to Institutional Policies, and it will take care of those. So let's put this in full screen, and you can see all those policies have been added to my Canvas syllabus page. If you wanted to add some existing content, we can add and rearrange syllabus blocks. We can either click Add Blocks here, or we can add content blocks up here. And then these are blocks that get pulled in from outside of the Canvas environment and inside of a customizations course where we build all this stuff out. And we can see we have, these are all institutional blocks. I can go ahead and I can say, I want to bring in a course description, a required course materials, student outcomes, assignments, grading. I want something about Zoom, my course format and structure, student instructor expectations. So I can add all of this stuff to my course. I can close this block now, and then you'll notice here on the right hand side, it shows me each one of these content blocks. If it's a policy, like I've added policies to this in the past, you'll see that when I mouse over a policy, it says the content is locked. But if I come down here to say a course description, that is not locked, and I can actually just add my content there. But I really don't want all my policies to be at the bottom or to be at the top. So I can actually just say I'm going to move my policies down by just clicking and dragging. So I'm just going to bring down my disability down here. Face coverings, I'm just going to put all the way down at the bottom. And ChatGPT is probably going to be down here somewhere as well. Religious accommodation, I want that to be up here just below my disability accommodations. I don't want this guidance to students taking classes in another country, so I'm just going to click on the X. I'm going to delete that. And then I can say, here's my course description, my materials, my student outcomes, any assignments and any grading, but I need my format up here. So let's put my format up here underneath my course description. And now I've got those in an order that I like. And now I can actually go in and I can edit like the ones at the top up here. So on my course description, I can go over to course description. I can actually double click here, and then I can start entering content. Or if you have something that doesn't have the dashes, like here it just says insert content here, you can triple click to select everything. So 1, 2, 3, and now I can enter content in this box too. And so that'll just make it easy so you can edit those pages. And now we see that our actual policy content is actually at the bottom. Looks like I didn't quite get my student instructor expectations, so if I need to move that again, just come over here and I can say drag that up, and I'm going to put that right there, and now we can see that that's been moved up. So that's how you can add different elements to your syllabus page using Cidi Labs Design Tools. Hopefully you found this helpful.